In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text or any element in ClickFunnels with CSS code. By the end, you'll be able to angle any headline, image, or button so it stands out, using a simple, reliable approach that takes just a couple of minutes. First, we need to give the element a unique CSS ID so the code knows exactly what to target. In the ClickFunnels page editor, hover over the element you want to rotate. This can be text, an image, a button, anything. Click the code icon, the one that looks like angle brackets. In the field for the CSS ID, enter a short, no spaces identifier. I'll use Rotate Me as the example. Using an ID keeps the rotation limited to this specific element, which is much safer than styling everything of the same type. IDs are case-sensitive, so remember exactly how you type it here. Next, we'll add the custom CSS that does the rotation. Still in the editor, open Settings, then choose Show Code or Custom CSS, depending on your version. In the Custom CSS area, paste the following. Rotate text or element 45 degrees. Rotate, me, transform. Rotate, 45 degrees. Rotate clockwise 45 degrees. Optional. Add smooth transition. Add rotate, me, transition, transform, 0.5's ease. That first block is the key. The transform property rotates the element, and the value 45 degrees tilts it 45 degrees clockwise. If you want it to lean the other way, you can use a negative value like minus 45 degrees. If you'd like a different angle, just change the number. Degrees are very flexible here. The optional transition line sets up a smooth effect for any future transform changes. So if you later decide to rotate on hover or show a different angle on mobile, it won't snap abruptly. Even if you keep a static rotation, leaving the transition in place doesn't hurt. A quick tip on naming. Keep your ID short and descriptive, like Rotate Me or Rotated Title, and don't reuse the same ID on multiple elements unless you intentionally want them all rotated. Once you've pasted the CSS, apply or save your changes and preview the page. You should see your chosen element cleanly tilted at the angle you set. If the rotation looks a bit off relative to nearby content, try adjusting the degree value slightly until it visually aligns the way you want. That's all there is to it. Give the element a CSS ID, paste the rotation CSS, and you're done. Enjoy creating dynamic, eye-catching layouts with a simple, maintainable snippet.